Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol TRXC. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I offer an explanation video at that link. Did this analysis on Wednesday, so that is where the red and green line annotations are coming from. And another nice move here, so definitely some updates need to be done. First thing I'm going to do is a little house cleaning, just go ahead and get rid of that line. Sure, it still pertains, not really relevant though right now. And from the presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing clutter and confusion because there's lines all over the place. So let's try to keep this analysis as clean as possible. First update though that does need to be made comes about based on a foundation rule in charting, which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. So going into the day, right around that 48-cent mark was an area of resistance, but now that the price is broken up above it, you would want to see it act as support, and that's already played out a couple of times. You can see right there, beautiful example of a resistance acting as support. And then once again right there, sure, the price didn't hit it exactly, but still got relatively close, and then once again acted as support. So 48 cents is going to be that ideal level of support. Ideal meaning if the price falls below it, that doesn't mean the entire chart's destroyed. But yeah, I mean, if the price could stay above it, that'd be a fantastic sign of power. And then from the overarching standpoint, that's where the purple line comes into play, the 50-period moving average. As the name implies, that line is going to move itself higher and higher. So the moral of the story there is that as long as the price stays above that purple line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control, however you can best visualize that. As far as areas of resistance, just going to make a little adjustment here. And the key question here is, all right, well, what direction does this adjustment need to be made? And I'm adjusting this level of resistance now up to that level right there at 54 cents. So when levels of resistance need to be adjusted higher, assuming of course you're bullish, that is a good thing. That's what you want to see. You want to see levels of support needing to be adjusted higher. You want to see levels of resistance needing to be adjusted higher, and both of those came was required after today's price movement. So all in all, the uptrend continues. Let's see how this one closes out the week on Friday. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.